Welcome to Emigoa cartoon school. What we are gonna do today, what we will look at is how to extrude an object. First, let's move this object or polygon primitive object like this. Let me use R for scaling. I can even move it or scale it like this. Okay, let's just imagine this is the object that we have, but we want to extrude it. Let's say you want to extrude this top or face. First right click and go to face for edition, or you can press vertex or edge, but I need face, and then select that. I will simply have to press Ctrl plus E on the keyboard, just like that, and then you already extrude that. All you have to do is simply select W for moving, and we can move it up like that. Let me simply use scaling by pressing R, and then I will simply scale like that. I will use W and then move it, and again I'm going to extrude that again. Control E while I already select that, and then W, I will put it up there, and then let me simply use scaling just like that. So I can simply now press W and move it down. Control E and then W, I will do that, and then Control and E and then R, so extruding, and then Control E W, I will move it up there. Control E and then R, I will do that, and Control E and then W, I will move it down, and then Control E W, I will move it up like that. So this is what we have. We've been using extruding. We've been this is very nice way of coming up with the different shift and side on the object that you are creating. So let me extrude this side. Control and E and then W, I can simply do that. If I want to Control and E then W, I will simply move that. So this is what we have. Control and E, Control E and then W. I can now use anything just like that. Control E and W, I can move the object anywhere. So this is what we have. So we can use extruding when we want to come up with different shape on the object. So this is how you can extrude the object. If you have any question, please feel free and comment there. I'm new, but I will be sure to teach you some of the basics that you can learn. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye. We will meet on the next lesson. Bye.